Thank you for joining me on this video. I'm down with Steve and Dan and they're with AT Hills Limited and they're contracting cutting winter wheat, and Steve's driving the John Deere S785i combine, and on the front of that is a 40-foot John Deere Draper header. Bit of a tricky field with the shape. It comes up to a point, needle point at the top of here, and Steve just has to turn slightly right and left, trying to not go over the swath that is already there. Same when it spins round. A little bit of fun for the baler man, but it just means it's a clean cut as it comes through. Locally, harvest was going really well, everyone was moving along fine, but this last week in Nottinghamshire we've had rain most nights. A lot of it hasn't been forecast, so that has slowed things down quite a lot. Just unloading into the Bailey trailer now. Now we're going to have a little bit of slow motion in a sec when we look at different parts of the combine. We're going to slow the header down, slow the auger tank. Fingers pushing in, the knives underneath, you can hear them cutting. And the chaff being spread and swath laying down the centre. There you can see the auger working as it pushes it up the grain from the centre. And with the draper header you could probably get away without needing the auger there on the back, but if the crop is really thick it does help just move it along. Steve does a great job there, just missing or just nipping the edge of that the swath. Probably one of his least favourite fields he's had to cut on this farm. And you see the draper header 40-foot has some support wheels on each side. Last flight round, and then my job is done for the day. Thank you as always for watching, much appreciated, and I will, all being well, see you on the next video.